Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, how are you and welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to make a beautiful two-tones bag. The material I used are two different colors of polyester threads, a 2.20mm crochet hook from Tulip, two rings, pastry needle, stitch marker, and a pair of scissors. Firstly, get your yarn, hold your crochet hook, and make a slip knot. Then, make 14 foundation chains. These are 14 foundation chains, then make one turning off or one extra chain. Then 14 single crochet, one single crochet in every stitch. This is the last stitch of the first row. One last single crochet, then make a turning up or make one chain, then turn the work. Make one single crochet in every stitch. This is the second row. I will make 36 rows of reversible single crochet using this blue thread. One single crochet in every stitch. This is the second row. This is the end of the 36th row. This is the last single crochet. I will change the thread. This is how I do it. I make a complete single crochet, then I insert the hook into two loops. These are side loop. Then I will get a new thread and I will grab it, pull it through these two loops. Then I will pull this thread, this blue thread. Okay, this strategy is much easier. Then one more chain or one turning up, then turn the work. Bring these two threads together and hide it throughout the work. One single crochet in the first stitch. One single crochet in every stitch. Keep hiding these two threads. Bring them together until you completely hide this brown thread. This is the last single crochet of this row. Then one chain or one turning up, turn the work. One single crochet in every stitch. So there are 14 single crochet in total, or 14 single crochet in each row. This is the second row of reversible single crochet using these brown threads. I will make 23 rows of reversible single crochet using this thread, so there are 59 reversible single crochet in total. This one is the second row. This is the 59th row or the 23rd row of reversible single crochet using this brown thread. This one is the last single crochet. Okay, complete. Before I continue the work, I would like to put a stitch marker on the last single crochet. Okay, this is what the base or the bottom part of bag looks like. This bottom part consists of 14 regular stitches and 60 side stitches times 2. It also has 4 corner stitches. Each of them is filled with 2 single crochets, meanwhile the other stitches are filled with only 1 single crochet. I'll start from this stitch. This is the first side stitches. I will fill each of the side stitches with 1 single crochet. Now I will switch to a blue thread like this. Then I will continue the work by keep hiding the brown thread behind the stitches. Like this. 1 single crochet. This is what it looks like. The combination of these two shades of thread looks so amazing. I will continue the work until I reach the first corner stitch. This is the first corner stitch. 2 single crochets. 1 single crochet in each of the next stitches. The next one is the second corner stitch. 2 single crochets. One single crochet in each of the next stitches. I'll switch to brown thread as I reach it and I'll use it throughout the pattern. This one is the third corner stitch. 2 single crochets. One single crochet in each of the next stitches. The next one is the fourth corner stitch. Take off the stitch marker. Two single crochets. Don't forget to put the stitch marker to mark the beginning point. After this, make 1 single crochet in every stitch. Amount of single crochet from the beginning point are 148 in total. I forgot to say that this is the spiral single crochet. I will make 2 rounds of spiral single crochet to complete the bottom part of this bag. This is the first round. This is the last part of the first round. Take off the stitch marker. Make a single crochet, this is the beginning point, and make another single crochet in the next one stitch. Don't forget to put a stitch marker at the beginning point, then continue the work. This is the second round of spiral single crochet. 1 single crochet in every stitch. There are 148 single crochet from the beginning point. This is the last part of the second round of spiral single crochets. Okay, I will take off the stitch marker and I'll make the last single crochet before the main pattern. Okay, already, and this is what the bottom part of this bag looks like. This bottom part of bag consists of 148 final stitches. It can be used for the multiplication of 2 or for the multiplication of 4. I will make the main pattern on the next video. See you then. Have a good day and happy crochet!